Open your feet. Right foot 90 degree outward. Left foot 10 to 15 degree inward. Check your placement. Push your pelvic and chest forward. Raise your arms up. Bend your right knee. And up. Breathe in, down. And up. In. Down. Exhale. Up. In. 4. In. 5. In. 6. In. 7. In. Look towards your right palm. 8. In. 9. In. 10. In. Stay. Now touch your left palm over the back of your left thigh and raise your arm up, right arm up. Exhale, right arm को mat पे touch करेंगे and left arm को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. So in every case, what's happening? My arms will be at 180 degree. So breathe in, right arm up. Exhale, left arm up. In. Exhale, down. In. Exhale. 3. In. Exhale. 4. In. Exhale. 5. In. Exhale. 6. In. Exhale. 7. In. Exhale. 8. In. Exhale. 9. In. Exhale. 10. And slowly come into Surya Namaskar pose. Palms on the mat. And bring your right knee in between your palms. Flatten your left toe. And come on your elbows. Get comfortable in this pose. And take all your attention on the right thigh. You may close your eyes and take all your attention on your right thigh. Breathe in and feel the expansion in your right thigh. And as you exhale, relax. Breathe in, expand. Exhale, relax. Stretch your arms and place your forehead on the mat. And slowly come on your elbows and palms. Tuck your left toe. Bring your left foot in between your palms and stand up. And on the opposite side, take your left foot 90 degree outward and right foot 10 to 15 degree inward. Align your feet. Pelvic and chest forward. Raise your arms up. Look towards the left palm. Bend your left knee. And up. Breathe in. Up. Breathe in. 3. In. 4. In. 5. In. 6. In. 7. In. 8. In. 9. In. 10. In. Place your right palm on the back of your thigh, right thigh, and raise your left arm up. Exhale. Bend down and raise your left arm up. In. 2. In. 3. In. 4. In. 5. In. 6. In. 7. In. 8. In. 9. In. 10. In. And down. Bring both your palms on the mat. Right knee touching the mat. You may close your eyes. And bring your left knee in between the palms. Flatten your right toe. And take all your attention on the left thigh. Keep taking normal breaths और अपना सारा ध्यान लेफ्ट थाई पे रखेंगे. Slowly come on your elbows. Take a deep breath in and expand your left thigh. As you exhale, relax. Once again, as you breathe in, feel all the nerves around your left thigh are expanding. Oxygen is reaching to every nerve around your left thigh. And as you exhale, feel the relaxation. Once again, breathe in. And exhale. Now straighten your arms and place your forehead on the mat. Only if you can. Otherwise, you can stay till elbows only. No problem. And observe the shift in the stretch area. अभी भी लेफ्ट थाई पे ही स्ट्रेच है, बट वो स्ट्रेच भी थोड़ा थोड़ा शिफ्ट हो रहा है विद इन दी थाई. In this pose, relax your hips. हिप्स को ढीला छोड़ेंगे. Relax your right leg. Relax your left leg. Relax your shoulders. Slowly lift your head up. Come on your elbows. Tuck your right toe. Take your left leg back and lie down on your stomach.